I'm Meridith Baer. Welcome to 1772 Crescent Heights in the Hollywood Hills. Inside, you're going to see a brand new, state-of-the-art, gorgeous home. It's sort of an industrial, modern, organic feel, and yet it is so cozy. You want to cuddle up in every room. In the living space, we layered rugs. We brought in hand-woven pillows, rounded furniture, leathers, bolche fabric on the sofa. Oh, and a quick note, there are even light fixtures stuck in the wall. It adds to the eclectic, unexpected nature of what this house has to offer. And speaking of offerings, let's go take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is extremely modern, and yet it's playful and user-friendly. Here's the breakfast room, and now it's smaller because I want more open space. In terms of looks, this material is just breathtaking. I've never seen anything quite like it before. The developer, he repeated the material, so it's very complementary and it feels of a piece. And the lighting fixtures he has, so unique. I mean, this one's just so playful. So this area is for a nice casual family meal. But if you're going to be entertaining, I want to show you the dining area. This dining area feels like a really cool restaurant. Above the table is a very unusual chandelier. It almost looks like it's standing there on its own because you can't really see the wire. And then there's this privacy wall that you actually can look through. In this corner bar, you can see you have stone, you have live edge wood, metals, and it's wonderful how with all of these floor-to-ceiling windows, you have a sense wherever you are of being outdoors, but then if you actually want to go outdoors, you pull apart these massive floor-to-ceiling doors and look at what you see. This outdoor area has a little of everything for everybody. You have your sunbathing areas, you have your swimming areas, your dining, and your beautiful unobstructed views for miles. But for the cherry on top, you have to see the primary bedroom. This room brings together all the elements and design of the whole house, the ropes, the woods, the amazing views. So again, we brought in a rounded sofa, textures, and make it feel sumptuous. Look at this. No tour would be complete without your rooftop patio. More seating area for your guests with a wet bar, a fire pit, and let's not forget these amazing views. This concludes the tour. I hope you had a fantastic time, and I'll see you at the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.